Introducing the Autoclave by Texcare Instruments Limited, a high-performance sterilization system designed to provide safe, efficient, and reliable steam sterilization for medical, laboratory, pharmaceutical, and industrial applications. Sterilization is the foundation of safety in every laboratory and healthcare facility. The autoclave uses pressurized, saturated steam to generate temperatures ranging from 121 degrees Celsius to 134 degrees Celsius, effectively eliminating bacteria, viruses, fungi, spores, and other harmful microorganisms. This ensures that every instrument, glassware, culture medium, and laboratory material is thoroughly sterilized and ready for safe use. Suitable for hospitals, pathology laboratories, pharmaceutical industries, microbiology laboratories, research institutes, educational institutions, and food testing laboratories, the autoclave is an essential instrument for maintaining the highest standards of hygiene and contamination control. Contact Texcare Instruments Limited today to discover the ideal autoclave solution for your sterilization requirements.